See, there's an advantage of having a big table like this, but there's also a disadvantage because it is it's made of steel. It's a welding table, and some of the edges aren't exactly flat, flush. There's stuff like that which causes damage like that. So I'm going to give this one more coat and give it time to dry. Got to get all this newspaper off as well, and any excess polyurethane. Okay, I've sanded the underside back. These two spots where the damage was, I reapplied some more stain, and I've just given the entire underside another one more coat, and that'll be it for that. But where the hell was those scratches? Actually, I think that's, yeah, that's it there. But from a distance, yeah, kind of difficult to see. And the other one, I think that's it there. So, going to leave this to dry with the help of the fan. And I'll come back to you. There's another scratch there that I've filled in. That fan is annoying me. Alright, I've just put my name tag on this. It should have gone on last, but I wanted to do it while I could actually have this laying flat. The screw's a little large for it, but I don't care. So, now just set up the other parts. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to countersink these screws, so I want to pre-drill these holes. Just want to hold it tight enough so that doesn't move, but I don't want to apply too much pressure because it's soft wood, it will buckle. Okay, I've had to lift it up just slightly because the head of the drill bit was knocking against that. Alright guys, I'm going to have to move you because the tripod's in the way. Alright, so before I put the second screw in there and in over there, I want to set this rig up down the other end and then do the one screw here and there. That way I know everything's aligned properly. Okay, every single pilot holes for the screws have been drilled, but before I do anything else, just need to fasten this down because I need to measure and drill the holes for the legs. So I'll just use one screw sort of in each corner.